Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by building a simple signal chain, microphone to recorder or interface to software. Use a USB condenser or XLR with an interface because they capture clear detail. Set gain low to avoid clipping. Once plugged in, create a new project in your DAW, choose 48K HZ sample rate, and arm the track. Make a short test take and watch levels sit around -12 dB. This first step prevents distortion and gives clean audio for the AI stage. You now focus on execution, control breath and enunciate but stay natural. Sound like a confident narrator rather than reading. Place the pop filter and sit 6 to 12 inches from the mic, slightly off-axis to reduce plosives. Record multiple short takes, 30 to 90 seconds each, so the AI gets varied phrasing. Save a few seconds of room tone too, this helps later for noise reduction. Once done, organize and label takes so you can pick the best samples quickly. You finish by cleaning and enhancing. Run a gentle noise reduction and normalize peaks to around -3 to -6 dB so the AI model has consistent input. Load your best 1 to 5 takes into the AI voice tool, tweak prosody and warmth to match your channel's tone, and preview in context with music. Export the final voice as WAV 48K HZ 24-bit and keep raw files. If audio sounds metallic, re-record with more distance or reduce aggressive denoise.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.